AI is going to change so many things in the world. Somebody asked me the other day, like, oh, is AI going to replace real estate agents? I saw this video and it's really true. When they said AI is going to replace real estate agents, and then I went to Walmart and I was in line at the checkout for Walmart. I saw people couldn't figure out how to scan their vegetables. And I knew we were going to be okay. I knew real estate was safe, because even if the technology is available, there's going to be enough people that just aren't going to adopt. But AI is an invaluable tool for you to use to do research, to get questions answered, to do analysis. It is a prepaid assistant. If you are not using it, I would encourage you to download your, whatever app you want to use. I'm a Grok fan. I use Grok constantly. There's certainly ChatGPT, there's Claude, there's a whole bunch of different products out there that can help you get information. But the information is available today to help you make decisions, and it is pretty amazing. Do I think it's going to replace real estate agents? I don't, because there's just too many moving parts at this point. Will it accentuate real estate agents? Will it provide support for them? Will it make the process easier or smoother? And certainly, will it replace really, really bad order taker real estate agents? Yes. However, real estate is still a negotiation. There's still a lot of steps to get through. There's still a lot of documentation. Those are things that will have a hard time getting completely replaced by AI. But it also requires adoption. People using, as I pose questions to people, I'm learning that there's still a lot of people not using anything related to AI, which is pretty remarkable to me.